bonus tips hidden in the video along with 14 color tutorials on Procreate. So don't skip the video and stay till the end. Hi, I am Shreyoshi and today I'll be teaching you everything about colors in Procreate from basics to advanced, plus 2 bonus tips hidden in the video. Hope you like it. Starting with the basics. Tap on the color menu to open the color panel. Here you can choose any color of your choice. Double tap on the color disc to snap to pure white, black, grey or saturated and pastel hues of the color. Zoom into the color disc to avoid accidentally picking up other colors while working on a monochromatic theme. Instead of tapping the square for eyedropper tool, just tap and hold on the color. Pretty basic but super handy. To quick fill any closed shape, just tap, hold and drag the color inside it. But sometimes you will notice this weird gap. To fix that, drag the color onto the shape without lifting the pencil, wait for the threshold bar to appear. Now slide your pencil right to fill the gap. Similarly, some brushes just spill colors out. Just like before, wait for the threshold bar, slide your pencil to the left to reduce the color fill. Pick a color, go to Color Panel, tap Value. Here you will find the hex code of the color. Or type a hex code to get that exact color shade. It's super annoying when the color panel disappears every time. Just hold the bar to move it anywhere on the screen, and it stays until you close it. Opening the color panel every time while working with 2 colors? Not anymore. Just tap and hold on the color menu to switch to your last used color. Your colors aren't clicking? The Harmony tab in Procreate can fix that. Choose any color and it instantly gives you a complementary pair of that color. Colors may still look off. Select the layer, go to Adjustments, choose between these 2 options. You may adjust hues, saturation, brightness, or color balance to adjust shadows, midtones, and highlights. For a solid background, just tap on the background color layer and pick a color of your preference. For slight adjustments, type the percentage instead. This one's actually an iOS feature called multitasking. From your recent tabs, drag Safari onto Procreate to get the split screen access. Adjust the size by moving the bars. Now find an image on Safari, tap, hold and drop it into the palette section. Boom! You get a custom color palette from that image. Select the layer you want to recolor. Go to Settings, Prefs, tap on Gesture Control, go to Quick Menu and choose any one. Let's say this. Now make your gesture. For me it's this square plus Apple Pencil. A custom menu appears. Change one of the slots to Recolor. Now every time you make this gesture, you get a selection tool. Move that tool to areas you want to recolor. Adjust Flood to select the sections with same color. Or just tap around to change individually. If the last one felt a bit tricky, don't worry, I'll be sharing a beginner-friendly alternative in my next video. So subscribe and stay tuned.